What is going on, everybody, and welcome. This is somewhat of an urgent call to everyone trying to understand what we're probably going to be seeing in the next couple of days. The charts don't lie. And whoever is buying and selling in the last month really knows that we are at the end of a very important trend. And at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what I mean with the price of Bitcoin and some altcoins, because if it happened, what I'm looking at, we could have a retracement and then finally the ultimate Bitcoin breakout that is going to send us passing 35 to $40,000. And the reason why we had in the last couple of days some massive booms about 7 to 8% Bitcoin is because of the news, right? But just happens to be that they really follow the charts too. I want to let you wait and guard. Let me go ahead and get started. Now, what you're seeing on the screen right here is the day candle for Bitcoin. And just see what's happening here because it's fascinating, fam. And really urgently that you get this so you are better prepared, right? Not financial advice. I'm excited to show everyone this, what I'm looking at. So, this is a level that Bitcoin has rejected time and time again. And I'm going to show it to you. This is from April to June. If we go ahead and zoom out, you're going to see that we have followed a price channel right here since October that it was built. So you count the months, and we are way over 7 to 8 months right here. A price channel that has been increasing and increasing and increasing. And the lowest that we recorded for Bitcoin was 15,000, as you see on the screen. The highs that we're seeing thus far is 31,500. We are at 30,500. But if you take a look at the price channel on the white, tilted lines, you're going to see that for some miraculous reason, it happened to be that on Wednesday the 14th, it started a pump, right? And that was this past week, right? So what happened? A bunch of institutional money news that BlackRock, Citadel, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, the first Bitcoin ETF, Ripple Hinman documents. I mean, there's just so many to choose from, right? Good news, some bad news, some FUD news. But the price of Bitcoin rally, Bitcoin dominance rally. When Bitcoin dominance goes up, altcoins don't do well. You need Bitcoin dominance to go down so altcoins do well. So right now, some altcoins are pumping here and there, but Bitcoin is the main showman, right? Now let's go ahead and get what's gonna happen is that if whoever is really manipulating Bitcoin, which this is not you or me, retail investors, right? This is a whale. These are whales that have billions of dollars. They could probably cash out a little bit. So it follows once again the price channel. It goes to $27,000 to $28,000. And finally, we have an ultimate consolidation on the 31 at and roughly July or August. If this price channel that I've been carefully following and respecting, I mean, you can take a look at it, how things have changed, right? And it's not like the price has pumped to $33,000 completely, right? Passing the price channel right here. So it could be right that Bitcoin is headed to another massive rally. These are some other different ideas of where we're heading. If we continue the rally right here with this upper band on my price channel, right, that so far it's being right on something that I'm sure people are looking at, some also looking at the Bitcoin Fibonacci levels, right? So this thick white line, it's a consolidation that we've been having ever since 2020 for bottoms here, for consolidation here, for resistance here. So it's just exciting, for me to look at the charts and see how the price behaves. Now, April, now July, June, the price of Bitcoin, if this is just overwhelmingly happy. If the price of Bitcoin rallies to another resistance, which is $33,000 that I have right here, but I mean, we could easily take that one out. We haven't seen that since. Boo! last year. So we don't really know if it's still gonna respect it. It could just continue rallying all the way to $37,000 if indeed Bitcoin is ready for that. Now, here's the crazy thing, that will be nothing for Bitcoin. $37,000 for Bitcoin is like 27 cents Cronos, right? Or $300 BNB. It's just good, but it's not the best. And Bitcoin at this time is, holding super strong at this level with coming more news. Very good news on Bitcoin ETFs, BlackRock, the SEC defeating and other different crypto companies, and more adoption, right? I have no doubt that whoever did this can replicate, because check this out. On June the 15th to right now, it's 20% jump. Meaning that if you want to rally to 37, that is 22. That's right in the ballpark of what we just did. Everyone, if this happens, everybody's going to say the bull market is back, right? People are already saying it actually. But understand, like I just showed you, there's a chance for retracement to 27 because this $31,000, we haven't been able to break so much and it retraces back all the time. So it's so cool. In this case, I just want to see that this week arrives with a lot of momentum, with a lot of hype, with a lot of FOMO. Because when retail investors and major institutions start buying and letting more people utilize Bitcoin, the great news that we all like, it could just sparkle this and ignite what everybody's waiting for. The Bitcoin rainbow chart, we could be looking at a $50,000 to $45,000 Bitcoin by the end of 2023, realistically speaking, waiting for the halving of 2024. Because it takes a while, to get out of this consolidation lines as we had since March all the way to June. This pumps, it's not that often that we have it. And the last time we had it was in March. We pumped, let me show you. We pumped about 40%. And after that, a little bit more. And after that, it was April. And then all the way to June, we had to wait for something higher. So it became boring for Bitcoin since April, all the rest of April, May, and then mid-June. It was like 2 months of nothing. Meaning, if Bitcoin rallies, could we have another month or so of boringness? So after that, 37,000 plus is achieved. There it is. I think what I just said has a lot of value because it really puts you in the right head as far as what's happening. And whatever occurs, I'm not gonna be surprised because now we know the real expectations. And if you start to see 32,000, 33,000 tomorrow, well, not tomorrow, but as we head to the week, that the argument of 27 to 28, it's becoming less believable, right? Because now we're heading to that 37,000. Thank you for watching, everybody. Like and subscribe. Appreciate your time. That's what that's what I have in my brain right now, and it's pretty cool. Buying low, selling high. It's just amazing to DCA in the fear. Peace.